how to add a ChatGPT in WhatsApp. Really easy and simple. Go ahead and first open up WhatsApp. Now come here at the bottom right, click on the plus icon, and I can basically add a new contact. So come here, click on new contact. We're going to go ahead and enter the first name, and we'll just enter this as ChatGPT. It doesn't really matter. And then country, you want to go ahead and choose the United States. So scroll all the way down right here. Should see the United States of America +1, basically. Let me go ahead and look for that real quick. There we go. It's actually up here. Okay. Now, once you type this number in, +1 800, right? 242 8478. Okay. And then go ahead and save this. Okay, it's been saved, and here you go. This is ChatGPT, and now I can use ChatGPT with WhatsApp, and I can say, hi, does this actually work? And then send a message, and let's see what ChatGPT is going to go ahead and reply. And there you go, guys. It actually works, and it's really that easy and simple.